what is your goal, or what are you aspiring to in the next, let's say, like 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I want to see myself a strong woman who is owning a big modeling and fashion agency to nurture talents, not only fashion for dressing up, but fashion for heart. Yeah,
Wow, not only fashion for dressing up.
but fashion for heart. Yeah.
Hey. Mtoto wa wenyewe leo. So maybe let's say I have someone who wants, let's say I have a kid who wants to join the industry.
Yeah.
Now, what are the qualifications?
The qualification, as I said earlier, confidence.
Confidence.
Yeah, because I can't train someone who don't even believe. First of all, you have to believe in yourself that you can do it.
Yes.
So I think that is the starting point. Yeah, confidence is all. Yeah.
So, are you free to say the charges, what you are charging on training?
Not really.
So it depends with the customer when she comes or he comes.
It doesn't depend. Just like any school, everybody pays equal amount of school fee. So yeah, I think it goes the same way. Yeah.
Let's go to the challenges. What are some of the challenges or challenges that you are facing right now?
Challenges that I am facing right now, I think, is financially, like money. Yeah, you find that in order for me to start a modeling agency, I need somewhere that I can have a studio. So you see, right now I don't have any studio. I normally train models at a certain school called Istimo Model Academy in Nakuru County. So those are some of the challenges we are facing. Money. Aside from that, the challenges I'm also facing, you find that there are some parents whom you see their kids can do very good in modeling. So when you approach them, they're like, no. Like there are some parents who still think the olden way of life. They see a model and they think that modeling is all about beauty without brains. But today I'm telling you that modeling is not all about beauty and elegance. Modeling is all about beauty with brains. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, beauty with the brains.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say there's that. Okay, that's one point you felt like giving up. Is there any such point?
Yeah, there was a point that I felt like giving up. I remember the time that I was to contest for Miss Charity Kisumu way back in 2019. So we went for the audition. Then everybody was good. We passed the audition. Then coming to the main event, there are some things that I needed. Like I needed a good designer to dress me up. Of course, in order for you to win, you must be creative and work on everything. But you see, by then, nobody supported me. By then, I was all alone. In fact, I can remember that night I cried the whole night. I never slept. So I had to give up. So I never went for the competition, though I wished them the best. So at that point, it took me almost 6 months. I think I gave up, yeah. It took me 6 months to start rethinking about modeling again. Yeah.
What now brought you back?
What brought me back is when I changed the environment. When I came to Nakuru, then I saw the poster. So I was like, this time I'm going to try it no matter what. I'll just go and work with whatever I have. I won't wait for any help from anyone. I have to be me. So that was what kept me going. Yeah.
So what about those people, that person who wants maybe to advertise for his or her shop, for the clothes, whatever, the shop.
To be the brand ambassador.
The brand ambassador, yes.
Okay.
Are you ready for that or open for that?
Yeah, I am. I'm also a commercial model. Right now I'm working with Abby Makeups. I market makeup kits. Then I also work with the film media photography. I'm her model. I market him. So any other business is open, so long as it's commercial and business, the professional one. Yeah. Okay.
What about that? That's your journey on how to cope up with all the ups and downs that you're on. What was your highest point? That point yenye ulisema, this is my best. This is the best of all the best.
The best of all. No, when I was when I was, I don't know, was it crowning or anointed? I don't know. As Nakuru top model, I was featured in a magazine because winning Miss Face of Nakuru, Miss Pink Ribbon Nakuru, and Miss Malkia Nakuru.
Hey, hold on. So you said how many? You have won how many?
Like 3.
3 in Nakuru.
Yeah.
One.
In the same year.
One.
Miss Face of Nakuru.
When? Which year?
Last year.
20. This is 2021, 2022.
Yeah.
Next
Miss
one.
Pink Ribbon Nakuru.
Miss Pink Ribbon.
Yeah, Miss Pink Ribbon is all about breast cancer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then also Miss Malkia Nakuru. Yeah.
You won all those.
Yeah, all those. So now I became Nakuru top model.
Yes.
So I think that was the best feeling and the highest feeling that I embraced ever. Yeah.
Okay. Where? Okay. So hizi zote all this nini inaitwaje, all this they are called competitions, eh?
Titles.
They are called titles. Okay. I told you I'll be learning one by one. All these titles. Which one was the best?
The best for me, I think, is Miss Face of Nakuru.
Miss Face of Nakuru.
Yeah.
So whenever you go, you are Miss Face of Nakuru.
Yeah, I am the face of Nakuru. I am Nakuru.
So now, let's say whenever any it's called what? Any competition comes up, are you ready for it?
Yeah, in fact, even if you tell me that I have a competition in the next 1 hour, I'll be very ready for it.
1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour. Very ready for it because I told you earlier, confidence is all. Right now, I have confidence in me and I believe in myself. So I'm ready to go.
Now to wrap up, whom are you looking up to?
I'm looking up to Lupita Nyong'o. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking up to her. I admire her personality. I admire her works. Watching her videos make me to learn every day. And I just admire her and I'm looking up to her. Yeah.
What about here in Nakuru? Not in Nakuru, countrywide.
Even here in Nakuru, I'm looking up to Adasa. Yeah, she's one in a million, very kind, very strong woman. In fact, I'm picking some of the qualities I'm having right now that I never used to have from her. Working close to her and being close to her makes me feel very comfortable and very nice. Finding someone like her is one in a million. So I can say I'm looking up to her. Yeah.
Somebody else?
Somebody else.
There's somebody who meets this video now and is asking so many questions. Uko na chali?
Yeah, I'm dating.
You are dating. Okay. So is he supportive?
Yeah, in fact, he is very supportive. In fact, at some points when I'm having my modeling events, he will normally tell me that you look good in this type of dress. No, don't do that, do this. Then aside from that, when I'm dressing up my kids for the competition, the kids that I normally train, at times he comes in and help me with the creative attires. He helped me make them. So long as you just give him instruction that you should do this, I can say he's very supportive.
He's very supportive. Okay. Sawa. Hey. Wale wenye wanazuba huko kando unawaambia
naweza waambia like wasizubae, like they should continue working hard on whatever they can do best in.
Okay. Yeah, pia ni model. You are
you're asking too much about
Don't worry.
Okay, he's not a model, but he loves fashion.
Okay, fine. Imeisha hapo siku ingine. Asking so much. Not really, but just information. So ladies and gentlemen, I've been with Georgina, the face of Nakuru. She's here and umesikia mwenyewe. If you are a parent outside there, let your kid do what she or he loves and likes. If you are a kid there, you need to get to modeling, she's here. Are you ready to share your contacts?
Yeah. So you can get me on Instagram as Georgina the model, Facebook page Georgina Awar, Facebook account Georgina Priya.
Huh? Georgina?
Priya.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about TikTok?
I'm not on TikTok.
Can you get there soon? Sometimes later.
Sure. Soon.
What about other Twitter? I don't love Twitter. Okay, fine. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for keeping up with the love of Theo. Make sure you subscribe, comment, share, and also like this video. Tafadhali finya hiyo kengele, and then we see what live next. As you share, ambia mwenzako, ita majirani, ita marafiki wote kwa hizo WhatsApp groups, Facebook, waambia wote wa subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.